what's up, everybody? Hey, my name is Jaron. I am doing a testimonial today in regards to the bulletproof irrevocable trust that I bought from Liberty Aid Academy about 3 years ago or so. I have some amazing proof that I'm going to show you. This proof will convince any naysayers or skeptical people that you should listen to Jack McCaig. Listen to that man. He will hook you up with the right things that you would need to protect yourself. And I appreciate Jack. I want to thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to purchase such a powerful document from you to protect my assets and teaching me some things along the way. So I thank you, man. Hey, you a good guy. I talked to Jack probably about a couple of years ago. So I'm just taking time out of my day real quick to do this. He never asked me to do this testimonial. I'm just doing this because I feel like the proof that I have today is going to provide people who already purchased the Bulletproof Trust from Jack McCaig and Liberty Aid Academy that you're protected. You're in good hands. So I'm going to show you proof that you guys are in good hands. All right. Quick backstory: I got a loan for a business loan, and the business didn't have its own credit at the time, so I had to sign on as a co-borrower. So about a year ago, they tried to garnish wages, but that didn't work out because I'm not an employee of anyone. And so now their next step was to try to go and steal money out of the checking account. Well, that didn't work for them either. So also, there was no funds placed on hold during this process. I have not heard anything from Wells Fargo, and I would anticipate that I would not hear anything from Wells Fargo because it's not my account. I'm the controller of the account, but my name is nowhere to be found on there. So I highly doubt that I will hear from anything in regards to this situation. But I do want to let people know that there was no funds placed on hold. Nothing, absolutely nothing. Let me get down to the proof and show you what's going on. Let's start with the account first. Let me turn this around. Okay, that's Wells Fargo. It says trust account. The everyday checking is also a trust account. There's my name there, Jaron. Trust account. And let's get down to the paperwork. See, on March 16th, 2020, a default judgment. Okay. Jaron, Leticia in the business. Okay. They got a judgment for $25,000, right? Okay. Then they did an application for a writ of garnishment non-earnings on April 7th, 2022. All right, that was filed. They have garnishee there. Wells Fargo is a garnishee. And now they're claiming to attempt to steal $28,000 and some change, right? And then they put down here, the plaintiff believes the statement check below is true. So we believe, they believe that the garnishee, Wells Fargo, is holding money for the judgment debtor, which is not exempt from collections. This is an assumption and presumption. Anyway, that's another topic for another day. Assumptions and presumptions, but they're presuming that we have an account there. And Wells Fargo, right here, garnishee, they filed an answer, garnishee's answer, non-earnings, on April 18th, 2022. What did Wells Fargo tell them? They said, the statements checked below are true. I don't have money or property belonging to the debtors, Jaron or Leticia. No account found. No account found. Okay. And they filled out page 2. No account found. It's proof. is proof. You know, Jack preached this years ago about providing proof, and he's still preaching that today. Proof. So I feel like this video today is proof. Okay? It's proof. Own nothing. Control everything. Own nothing. Control everything. Proof is in the pudding. Thank you, Jack. You're the man. Make sure I get my finger now. I'm pointing at you, Jack. You the man. Thank you.